Hey, Match, I figured out how the Alliancers can deal with our enemies more effectively.
Really? How, do we do that?
Lightning, go electrocute Spongy. Yay!
Yoi! I feel like my alliance has changed lately.
Good. Now, Lightning, go get, Flour.
Actually, Lightning, do what you think is right.
Bubble's right! Why am I obeying these maniacs?
Bubble?
Please don't expel me from the alliance.
You aren't expelled, but we're gonna demote you from member to Bember.
Yeah.
No!
Am I still a member?
Ah, yes, Ruby, you are.
Yay!
Hey, Marker and Stavely, wanna be friends?
Yeah.
Whatever.
Hey, who, keeps popping Bubble?
Let's find out. But help us find a criminal. No thanks, I'm good. If you don't, we just might have to expel you from our alliance. But I'm an alternate, right?
Oh my gosh, I won! Sorry, Pie. No hard feelings, right?
Whatever. You win some, you lose some.
Now that's a good way to look at it. Naily, did you pop Bubble? No. Sounds like a lie to me. Liars must be punished. Let's punish Naily. Punish Naily!
Stop! Put her down, Pencil.
Oh my gosh, loser!
Oh my God, look at me, please! Loser!
No, Pencil. Apologize to Naily.
When's 4 coming back?
How should I know? 4 just disappears sometimes, remember?
It was a rhetorical question.
That's not how you use rhetorical questions, Light.
Look, I'm just bored, okay? We've had to go over this worksheet 50 times.
So, when 4 comes back, it's not like we'll just stop doing math. We'll just be doing even more subtraction by 1 exercises, quizzes about graphing the y-axis, and appreciation rituals of the holiness of single-digit, even perfect squares!
I don't think that's math.
Whoa! It's not that bad. Plus, you know what happens if you don't.
What, a 4'll screech me? I think I built up a tolerance or
Come
something.
on, Pencil. Just do it already. Even if the screech isn't at me, it's still annoying.
Free time! Finally, free time!
Pencil, free time is only for Bracelety. You still have
Oh,
to
be
do
quiet.
yours.
It's not like 4's here.
Wait, that's not 4.
Ew! It's a bunch of boys!
Hello, everyone. It's so good to see you all. I was beginning to think BFB was cancelled.
Nope, still going. And we were eliminated.
Why do I have filling, but also a hole?
What's that? And why is it talking?
It's Loser.
Loser got eliminated?
Yeah, but he lied, so we all hate him now.
I don't hate Loser!
Ice Cube hates Loser.
Come to think of it, Loser sucks!
Yay, 4's back.
Hello,
4.
What the spongy is going on? I thought this place was just for us girls! Why are all these boys here?
Wonderful.
I've been dying to get out of here.
Me too.